driving with no hands on the wheel. Magic. We're headed south. Oh, do you hear that? That's the Coast Guard on the radio.
Look at the big waves, Sam. We're going really fast.
Going about 6 knots, 6 to 7 knots. Right now, 7.3. The wind's a little gusty, anywhere from about 14 to 22 knots. And
Look at the flag.
we have one sail up with a reef in it.
What does that mean, Opa?
That means that the sail is a little less area than we're all the way up, partway up.
There you go, Sam. There's our big sail. You can't even see the top of it. Woo! Look at that. Way up there. And this is where we're going. This is like being on a horse, Sam.
So when are you going to come sailing with us, Sam? I hope soon. I hope this summer. Maybe we can spirit you away from